the chapter where we will explain the preparation of the dye. Before you start to create the mixture, you need to consider the amount of powder required. In general, we use 50 grams of powder to color short hair or for root touch-ups. Medium length hair will be approximately 100 grams, and long hair is 150 grams. Now, these are, of course, estimates. The exact amount will differ according to the hair texture and the amount of hair. Once you've decided how much powder is needed, you can start to create the mixture. First of all, grab a scale, a small glass bowl and a big glass bowl. In the small glass bowl, you can weigh out each powder needed and pour it into the big bowl. We do not recommend weighing out the powder immediately into the big bowl because overusage of any of the powders would be impossible to remove. Once you've put all the powders into the big bowl, you can mix them together with the whisk. Then add the required number of pumps of the Color Me Better booster. The ratio is 1 pump per 50 grams of powder. Mix again and add hot boiling water until you get a smooth, consistent paste. The amount of water differs depending on the powders used. Each plant has a different absorption capacity. Therefore, the guideline is to add water step by step until the paste is very smooth, not too liquid, not too thick. If it is too liquidy, it will drip and the pigment will be diluted. If the mixture is too thick, on the other hand, it will be hard to apply and will dry out faster. This will put an end to the color absorption process. Some people do not like the smell of natural products, so you can add 1 drop of mint essential oil, which will give it a very fresh fragrance. The mint can be added after the water. Once everything is added, mix one last time, and the dye is ready to use. So, let's recap the process. The first step is adding the powders and mixing them together. Then you add the Color Me Better booster and mix again. Next, you add the water and mix until a nice, smooth paste. Lastly, you can add 1 drop of mint essential oil if required and mix again, but this is completely optional.